Medidata is a dynamic science company with purpose. They're the global leader in creating end-to-end solutions to support the entire clinical development process for new therapeutics, vaccines, devices, and diagnostics.
Medidata's technology brings hope to millions of patients all over the world by powering the studies needed to help prevent and fight diseases. And part of their success? Recruiting veterans. David Lombardo joined the Army in 2004 and spent 12 years in active duty. In 2018, joined the Medidata team as an enterprise support manager for U.S. operations.
As a captain in the United States Army Signal Corps, I led teams around the world in a variety of areas to include telecommunications, infrastructure, and operations. Like many military members, I had the unique experience of living overseas the majority of my career. From deployments to South Korea, Afghanistan, Iraq, Germany, I had the opportunity to experience cultures firsthand. I think the problem is that most military members don't really understand that networking is so important because we don't have to do it in the military. It's just, you're told where to go, when to be there, kind of figuring out what it is you want to do, where you want to do it. Those are important things to do before you leave the service. Within Medidata, I manage a team of technology professionals across the U.S. supporting the business with application support, computer support, audiovisual, meeting, conferencing, basically everything to do with communications within the business.
Tiffany Harris joined the Marine Corps right out of high school and served 4 years. She's now a senior manager working out of Medidata's Houston office.
I spent 4 years as a United States Marine, mostly on the East Coast. During that time, I learned software development. And ever since, I joined the Marines because I wanted to learn a skill that was marketable. Prior to that time, I had never even worked on a computer. When I joined and began training, I found myself paired with many men who created and built computers as a hobby in their homes. And I realized that I was in need of learning really fast. And thankfully I did. I joined Medidata because of the purpose of the company. Right now, today, we're working harder than ever because we provide technology that powers the clinical trials. My team works on everything that supports all of our products. So my day-to-day is different every hour. Every hour I get to work with different people, and it makes it fresh and exciting for me.
The Medidata team understands the importance of both hiring and helping veterans.
It's important to me and to Medidata that we hire veterans because veterans first have served our country, and secondly, because they've been trained to adapt, to learn, to respond quickly. For that reason, you can bring in a person that has a level of maturity that has been tested and proven because they've served our country, and also because they have a willingness to sign up for a mission and to complete it successfully. One of the partnerships we have right now is with Empower, and Empower trains veterans when they are coming out of the military. They train them in technology to prepare for jobs in the civilian world. They also work with underserved populations.
We're also a proud sponsor of the Disabled American Veterans because of the great work that they do in helping patients. Last year, we supported their virtual 5K, and we held a Greenlight a Veteran hiring campaign to encourage employees within the business to hire more veterans.
By providing the best cloud-based technology for clinical research and putting patients at the center of everything they do, Medidata is changing the way drugs, vaccines, and medical devices are developed around the world.
Medidata is a good place for veterans to work because we care about veterans, we care about people, and we have a mission that you can wrap your minds around.
Knowing that the work that we do is improving the lives of people is really important.